guys, welcome back to my channel. As you may know, my name is Sana, and today we are going to learn why the sky is blue and why the sky is orange and red in sunsets. So, two quick things we have to review before we start. So, we all know white light splits into 7 rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. We all know that, okay? The sun's light has white light and they split into 7 rainbow colors. So also another thing is some of the rainbow colors like red and orange travel like this with long wavelength, and they could travel for a long distance. But colors like blue and purple, those colors, they go like this. Something like that. Now to begin with, why the sky is blue. You all know that there's air on Earth, air that we breathe. So in the air, there's dust particles and air molecules, okay? And you all know that there's some white light that splits into 7 rainbow colors. So the one at the ending, like purple, violet, and blue, those colors, they'll get scattered by those stuff. So those air molecules and dust particles, they scatter all those colors more, and that's why we see the sky blue. But you must be wondering, why don't we see the sky violetish or purplish? That's because our human eyes are used to seeing blue more than purple or violet. So now, why is the sky red and orange in sunsets? That's almost the same thing as why the sky is blue. So, because, let's say this is the sun and this is the earth. So, the sun's light, usually, the sun's light can travel here. But in sunsets, the sun is like this. So, the light has to travel even more. So, the sun's light had to travel even more. So, most of the colors, they just fade out, and only the sun's colors like red and orange, they only remind in the sunset's time. So they are only reminded, and the other colors had faded out. So that's why we see the sky in sunsets red and orange. So we're going to do our very own experiment and make our very own sunset. So I have a bowl of water with soap mixed into it. I also have a flashlight. So imagine the water as an atmosphere, and the soap, you can think, so the soap also has tiny soap particles inside it, okay? So I'm going to take the flashlight and I'm going to shine it over here. Oh, look, the blue, I can see blue over here and yellow on the other side. Wow, this is our very own sunset, I mean. Isn't it so cool? Talk about why this happened. It happened because the blue got scattered by the soap particles, and then so you might have thought that the water on this side of the bowl, it was not just yellow, it was yellowish, orange, and red. So that's what happened. The particles scattered the blue mostly, so you could see the blue, and then the remaining colors, because they already faded out, the colors like green, blue, and purple, those colors already faded out. The colors like red, orange, yellow still remained, so that's why we could see it on the other side of the bowl. Can I tell you a cool fact before the end of the video? Did you know what color the sky is at the moon? Yes, it is black. Why is it black? Yes, your guess is right. The moon does not have any atmosphere, so there's nothing to scatter the light. Bye-bye. I'll see you on another interesting video. Also, go out and check out my other videos.